Front seat cover installation. Put on the seat back cover. Adjust the holes for headrest, zip up the headrest covers. Attach the hinges. Tuck the hinges in the backrest seat gap. Attach the small hooks and put on the baserest seat covers. Fix the small hooks to the seat bottom. Cover the headrest. Front seat cover installation completed. Back seat cover installation. Fix the seat covers onto the chair and fasten the buckle to secure the headrest. Put on the rear backrest covers and fix it with the Velcro. Attach the hinges and tuck them in the backrest seat gap. Put on rear backrest covers and tuck the hinges in the seat gap. Fasten the side webbing to the bottom of the seat. Installation completed. Cheering for the new skin of your beloved car.